form and function work alongside each other, the results can be revolutionary. The Bruskin Shower System is an innovative, modular commercial shower that's time-saving, surprisingly affordable, and provides endless design options. Engineered for simplicity, designed for style. The focus of the Bruskin system is the ability to provide beautiful and robust materials like glass and quartz in pre-cut panels that can be installed without site adjustment. Our challenge was to design a shower that provided all the shower components to the job site in such a way that 2 installers can assemble those components in just a few hours with a beautiful result. The design is based on a system of structural aluminum uprights that are located by our custom shower pan. The structural uprights provide the framework to attach the shower surround walls as large panels. The showers are designed to go into an existing shower alcove or new build. It is also possible to construct the new shower over the existing shower wall conditions of an old shower or bath. Shower pan sizes can be customized to suit your project. A selection of shower trims, lighting, and shower doors complete the assembly to your specifications and design. The key components of the Bruskin shower are the pan, the metal structure, the shower panels, the shower door, plumbing trims, and integral lighting. The first component of installation is the setting of the pan in a mud bed and allowing it time to dry, which usually takes 20 minutes. Once the pan is set, the structural uprights are located in the pan notches. They are then vertically aligned, shimmed in place, and anchored to the wall. We now have a structural framework to mechanically hold the shower surrounds. First, the back wall is hung in place, and then the 2 side walls slide in to engage the corner hooks on the back wall. The walls are now in place. Next, the closure trim pieces are snapped into the back of the panels. The closures are extended to the walls and screwed into the wall to seal the space. The shower is then caulked with a silicone bead. The plumbing trims are added and lighting is connected by the electrician. Once the caulking is complete, the shower is ready for use. It's that simple. The modularity allows for a design to be repeated as many times as needed and specified for standard applications. The install time of 2 to 3 hours with 2 installers makes it easy to schedule and bring time savings to project coordination. The shower features hygienic surfaces that are easy to clean and stand up to high use. The modular mechanical installation makes repairing or changing out decorative features fast and simple. What we're bringing to the guest shower experience is something that we've never had before, which is real options. Anywhere from our Eco Quartz panels to highly decorative glass and LED lighting. The Bruskin is a revolutionary product that brings a modern and customizable shower design to hospitality around the world.